guys, welcome again in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about trick to write IUPAC name of mononuclear coordination compound. We know that coordination compounds are of many types, like having positive complex ion, having negative complex ion, neutral complex, etc. On this basis, first we read about name of coordination compound having positive complex ion. So, trick to write IUPAC name of coordination compound is ligand plus metal plus oxidation state plus simple ion name. The oxidation state of central metal is indicated by Roman numerals first, second, third, etc. in brackets after its name. For example, AgNH3 2Cl. Here, ligand is amine. Center metal is silver and simple ion is chloride. In this complex compound, same ligands too are present, therefore di prefix is used for two same ligands. Therefore, the IUPAC name is diamine silver first chloride. Diamine silver first chloride. We know that in Ag+1 state, secondary valency of the metal Ag+1 is 2 according to Werner's theory. Thus, oxidation state of metal is +1. Therefore, IUPAC name of the compound is diamine silver first chloride. Now next, second type of coordination compounds is name of coordination compounds having negative complex ion. So trick is simple ion name plus ligand plus metal's Latin name at plus oxidation state. For example, Na2AgCN2. Here, simple ion is Na+1 ion, central metal ion is Ag+1 and ligand is cyanide. Therefore, the IUPAC name of the coordination compound is sodium, simple ion, sodium. After this, ligand dicyano plus metal's Latin name at argentate first. So I repeat, simple ion is sodium, ligand is cyano, metal is argentum, ate suffix is used, argentate plus OS plus 1. Therefore, the IUPAC name of the complex is sodium dicyano argentate first. So important. Here, one important thing for naming of a coordination compound is di, tri, tetra, etc. Numeral prefixes are not used for counter ions. Therefore, it is sodium, not disodium. Very important. Now next, if more than one type of ligands are present in a complex, then ligands are named in alphabetical order of preference. For example, KPTCl3NH3. Here in the complex, chlorido and amine ligands are present, Thus, the IUPAC name of the complex with alphabetical order of ligands is potassium amine trichloroplatinate second. Potassium amine trichloro or chloridoplatinate second. We know that in Pt2 plus state, secondary valency of the metal is 4. 1 plus 3, 4. According to Werner's theory. Now, next third type, name of neutral complexes. Trick is ligand, first write ligand plus metal and last oxidation state. For example, FeCO5. It is a neutral complex. Here, central metal is iron Fe0 and ligands are 5CO carbonyl. Thus, the IUPAC name of the complex is pentacarbonyl iron 0. Pentacarbonyl iron 0. Now next, so important, when the name of ligand includes di, tri, tetra, etc., then prefixes bis for 2, tris for 3, tetrakis for 4, etc. are used. Such types of ligands are called complex ligands. Very important. For example, COEN3. Here ligand is ethylene diamine. In its name, di prefix is used. Therefore, it is a complex ligand. Thus, the IUPAC name of the complex ion is tris for 3, tris ethylene diamine cobalt third ion. Very important. So, here En known as complex ligand. Now next, fourth type, name of coordination compounds in which both parts are complex ion. Very important. So, trick for IUPAC naming of the complex is ligand plus metal plus oxidation state plus ligand plus metal's Latin name at plus oxidation state. It will be for name of positive complex ion and it will be for name of negative complex ion. Very important trick. For example, PTPy4, PTCl4. In this complex compound, both parts are complex ion. Positive and negative, both are complex. Here, central metal is platinum. Ligands are pyridine and chlorido or chloro. And we know that in platinum 2 plus state, secondary valency of the metal ion is 4. Here, secondary valency of the metal ion is 4. Similarly, here 4. Thus, the IUPAC name of the complex is tetrapyridine platinum second, tetrapyridine platinum second, tetrachloro or chlorido platinate second. In negative part of the complex, metal's Latin name at is used. Therefore, the IUPAC name of the complex compound is tetrapyridine platinum second, tetrachloro or chlorido platinate second. Very important. Now another example, very important, COH2O NH3 5, CONH3 2, NO2 4, 3. Here central metal ion is cobalt. Ligands are aqua, amine, nitrito and. Thus, the IUPAC name of the compound is pentaamine with English alphabetical order of ligands pentaamine, aqua cobalt third, diamine, tetranitrito and cobaltate third. Very important, pentaamine, aqua cobalt third, diamine, tetranitrito and cobaltate third. Very important example. Welcome again. Now we will take some multiple choice type question series. So welcome again in Abhigyan multiple choice type question series. Question first is the IUPAC name of CONS3 to H2,4Cl3 is. Very important question. Option A, diamine tetra aqua cobalt third trichloride. B, diamine tetra aqua cobalt second chloride. In option C, diamine tetra aqua cobalt third chloride. And D, diamine tetra aqua cobalt third trichloride. So answer will be diamine with English alphabetical order of ligands. Here ligands are amine and aqua. Therefore, and central metal ion cobalt 3+ and simple ion is chloride. Therefore, the IUPAC name of the complex ion is diamine tetra aqua cobalt third chloride. So answer is option C, diamine tetra aqua cobalt third chloride. Very important. Next question. Second, among the following which complexes are neutral? Very important question. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. In option A, first, second, third and fifth. In option B, all. C is third and fifth and D is second, third, fourth and fifth. Very important question. In first, coordination compound have positive complex ion. In second, both parts are complex ion, positive and negative. And third, it is a neutral complex. And fourth, it has negative complex ion. And fifth, it is also a neutral complex. Therefore, answer will be option C, third and fifth. Third and fifth are the example of neutral complexes. Option C. Now next, third question is the IUPAC name of the complex NiNS3,4 NiCl4 is. Very important question. Option A, B, C and D. In the complex compound, central metal ion is nickel 2+ and ligands are amine and chlorido. Therefore, the IUPAC name of the complex ion is tetraamine nickel second, tetrachlorido nickelate second. So answer will be option C, tetraamine nickel second, tetrachloro or chlorido nickelate second. Now next question fourth is the IUPAC name of K2Cr2n2O2NS3 is. Very important. Here potassium is simple ion, central metal Cm is chromium and ligands are cyanido or cyano, oxo, dioxo, peroxo and amine. Thus, the IUPAC name of the coordination compound with alphabetical order of different ligands is potassium, amine, dicyano, dioxo, peroxo, chromate 6th. Therefore, answer will be option A, potassium, amine, dicyanido or cyano, dioxo, peroxo, chromate 6th. And last question, fifth, IUPAC name of the complex K3FeCN6 is here. Potassium is symphyline, Fe is central metal, and cyanido is R ligands. Therefore, IUPAC name of the complex ion is potassium hexacyanido ferrate second. Option C, potassium hexacyano ferrate second. Answer will be option C. Hopefully guys, you have understood about auxiliary to write the IUPAC name of mononuclear coordination compounds. Thanks for watching the video.